This simple, healthy meal is 3 ingredients, 1 pan, takes about 5 minutes. Now, please stick with me. I promise you are going to like it. Now, when I show you the ingredients, you'll be like, oh my God, that's disgusting. You're off. Just stick with me. You will love this. Okay, ingredient number one, and this is stuff I have all the time, and it's helped me at 52 feel young, stay young, just have more energy. I don't feel bloated after the meals. I've reversed my autoimmune. That's not medical advice. I'm just saying what's worked for me, especially a lot of the good omega-3s. So what I do is I tend to build a base with riced vegetables. That tends to be a base of a lot of my meals. We're going to do this one with riced cauliflower. I got this Trader Joe's. They have riced cauliflower. The link below. Most supermarkets have them now. If not, take cauliflower, get a little ricer, and make your own. So we're going to now heat up the pan. So I'm going to heat up the pan medium. And as that's heating up, here comes ingredient number two. Now, yes, this is where I lose many of you. Ryan, you're gross. It's disgusting. Sardines, part of my sardine diet. They are so delicious. If you've never had them before, it's because you think they have skin and bones and eyes and they're staring at you and they're smelling, and they're really not. And I want to show you, this is the King Oscar. I'm not endorsed by them. I have an Amazon link. I'll make like 3 cents. I like the boneless, skinless better because this is how it looks. For those of you who have never seen it, this is in olive oil and they're fillets. And if you like, canned tuna, salmon, it's really not much different. Okay, so it's packed in olive oil. So here's what I'm going to do. Now, you can put olive oil and you could do whatever you want in the pan. However, I am going to use the olive oil from this. Now, I've had some feedback from people. Oh, we don't know the quality of the olive oil in this one. It's probably not as good. I'm going for it. I like to save a little time, a little effort. So while that's going, now I'm going to put the riced cauliflower right in. Okay. And this is frozen. So this is cooking up. I put the frozen rice cauliflower right into the pan. So as this is heating up, this is going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. All I'm doing is stirring it. Right? Frozen. So this was the Trader Joe's. Most supermarkets have riced cauliflower. They have riced broccoli. You can actually get combinations, which is a riced cauliflower and broccoli. And right here are the sardines waiting. So the olive oil I poured in, it's cooking up. While we're doing that, I'm going to give you ingredient number 3. This is the secret sauce to make this thing good, because the first video I did about recipes kind of went viral. It was like over 500,000 views, and it was cauliflower and sardines in the microwave. People freaking out. Oh my God, plastic, you're killing everyone. So I wanted to show an elevated, my chef restaurant quality. I can't cook, look at this. This is the secret. Ingredient number 3, capers. If you've never had a caper before, they are so good and they are perfect. I'm telling you, perfect with the sardines. The riced cauliflower is still cooking, and it's been about a minute or two. It takes maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and you'll feel it starts getting soft. And the good thing about these riced vegetables, it's the perfect base because you can add any protein to it. You can add, because people say, well, Ryan, I don't like sardines, or I don't want sardines. Could I add canned tuna, or canned salmon, or fresh salmon, or chicken, or turkey? Yeah, you can. Like I said, you do you. Do whatever you want. But I like it because for me, it replaced my sandwiches. I was addicted to sandwiches, Subway, Jersey, and all that stuff. Oh, I don't have bread anymore at all. I have these riced bowls, which kind of replace the sandwiches. All right, so now this took and now we're going to add in these capers. About it, 1 or 2 tablespoons, whatever your flavor is. I love them because they give it so much flavor. And I'm telling you, if you're scared of sardines, you're like, oh, this is going to be too fishy. This really cuts that flavor up. It just almost has like a lemony flavor to it. But it really is perfect. please promise me you'll give this a try. Because I do this to help. Like, I know if you start eating well, and you're feeling, could you imagine if the whole world just starts eating better like this instead of like turkey hoagies and meatball subs? Everyone will be happier and less like aggressive online and the trolls and all that kind of stuff. So now that that's cooking, here's what we're going to do. We're going to add the sardines. I'm going to put this right in. Now, I said 3 ingredients. You can add 4th. These are popping a little bit. That's okay. Yeah, baby. Look at my cooking. So we're going to add a 4th ingredient. Now I like to chop mine up a little bit. You can do whatever you want. This is an optional ingredient. You can have sliced lemons. If you don't have lemons, people are like, oh, it's not as good. You know what? It's simple. Let's get some lemon juice. So I'm just going to take some lemon juice. Yeah. And a couple little squirts. Maybe it's a slice of lemon, whatever that is. Put the lemons right in. But the lemons and the capers, this really is. So if you went to a restaurant and had this, you'd say, what kind of seafood is that? Like, you would never know this is like a $3 can of sardines. Okay. So we're about done. So that took, I don't know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Now, the plating. Oh, baby. Some of you, and it's so funny because the comments, I get people saying, oh my God, that looks delicious. Again, half the people say that looks so disgusting, but look, if you don't like it, don't eat it. If you say, Ryan, you're slaughtering fish, don't eat it. I love this. I love the way it tastes. I love the way it makes me feel. I have these all the time, part of my sardine diet. So this again was about 2 cups of cauliflower, can of sardines, tablespoon-ish of the capers, and I added a little bit of lemon. That's optional. You've got this amazing meal. This could be lunch. This could be dinner. It takes 5 minutes, 1 pan, and you are going to be feeling good. But God, it smells delicious. It is not, I promise you, it's not like a fishy smell where it's going to smell up the house or your partner or spouse is going to kick you out. And speaking of awesome, what did you say? Speaking of amazing stuff, my 1-page journal. Get it. It's a 5-day button reset. Every day you've got a little prompt. Thousands of people have been downloading this and they feel amazing. Just start your day doing this. If you want it for free, PDF, you print it out, just write the number 5 below. Write the number 5 below. I'll send this to you. You get more recipes. You get more stuff. You stay up to date with what's going on. We'll feel amazing during our second act. And of course, like and subscribe. And of course, let's watch the next video.